What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here is the Osmo Pocket like case. I mean this case I just bought it to put my tripod and then the lanyard, because I already have like 3 Osmo Pocket case, but I think so this one is the best one. So here's my pocket. So yeah, I need to get a smaller screen protector, how to say screen protection case. Okay, we put like this, as you can see. Oh, that's awesome. And then let me close it. That's awesome. The good thing is that you can put the tripod here, you can put the lanyard here. I'm going to use the ringy lanyard, and also it's very comfortable to hold now, right? Okay, it's already turned on. It's already turned on. Let me turn it off. Yeah, I mean overall it's a quite good case, to be honest with you. I have no complaint over it. So let's see the removal procedure. Okay, removing is also easy, which is again a good thing, to be honest with you. Okay, I need to do let me on again. Let me turn off. Okay, let me turn off again. So my opinion will be that every Osmo Pocket buyer should get this case. Yeah, I mean this is my kit for the Osmo Pocket and Action. I keep my stuff here, but this case will not come now. I'll find another way. But overall I'm really very much happy, to be honest with you. You can mount here, you can mount here. I personally use this tripod screw. I'm really very much happy. I just can't find any complaint. It was me, none other than Geek. Subscribe and bye.